And Vinayji, whenever I hear about you or Wisdom Foundation, it's like a synonymous to eternal wisdom. There is something called this eternal wisdom. It's all over there. You speak about it. It's there in your Wisdom Foundation. Can you tell a little bit about what is eternal wisdom?
See, the word Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana means eternal. Dharma means the principles of life and living. So if we put these two words, Sanatana Dharma means the eternal principles which govern one's life and living. Now, when you say the word eternal, eternal means something which has existed for a long period of time.
And will exist.
And will exist. In fact, they say eternity is something which existed in the past. It exists this moment, the present, and shall persist into the future.
That's so nice.
So the principles of Sanatana Dharma are perhaps far more relevant today than perhaps it was given at the times when it was given. Now, what are these principles? These principles, something which are applicable to people from all walk of life. It's not that it's only catering to a small section or cross-section of people. It's applicable to people, perhaps someone like the corporate world like you all are from. You could be an entrepreneur. You could be a businessman. You can be a celebrity all the time in limelight. Or you could be a teenager. You can be a housewife. Irrespective of which background you come from, whichever field of activity you're in, this knowledge has a relevance to your walk of life. Whatever you have to manage, all our lives we're constantly managing things, aren't we? We're talking about health management. There's so many schools, so many people are talking about various forms of exercises to keep yourself fit and healthy.
Health management.
Health management. In fact, today there's a greater awareness of the mental health. How healthy is our minds? There's a big concern of stress management.
And I'm sure we're going to touch on that.
I'll be happy to address that.
Right.
Then there is the concept of wealth management. Everybody has issues of relationships. So there's relationship management.
Oh, we are going to touch on that too.
Oh, do we? Okay. So there you go. See, here is a subject which touches on all these aspects of life, and it has got a solution to it.
So that's very nice. And I also hear in the context of eternal wisdom, you also say manual to life.
In fact, it would tantamount to saying that eternal wisdom is nothing but a handbook to life. It is, in fact, if you take this instructions, it's applicable, as I said, to all walks of life. It is perhaps a manual which deals with all facets of life, and it has got a solution to it. In short, you can say, rightly said, you can say it as a manual to life.